next question is something which all students deal with is, how does one figure out their passion? And should one necessarily follow their passion even if it means sacrificing comfort, lifestyle or geographical proximity to family? And should passion always override such considerations which might also be important in their own right?
See, let us understand what is passion. Passion is just a certain thought in your mind to which you invest certain emotion. That's your passion, right? You can be passionate about a certain activity, you can be passionate about a certain person, you can be passionate about a certain thing. How did this happen? It's a thought in which you invested a certain amount of emotion. I'm saying, if you know this, and if you know how to generate thoughts consciously and invest emotion consciously, this wouldn't even be an issue. Right now, passions are happening compulsively. What happens compulsively will lead you wherever it leads you. Sometimes it takes you to a good place, sometimes it takes you to a bad place. But if it means so much to you, it means so much to you means it is just that you have invested so much emotion in it. That's all it is. Because you've invested so much emotion in it, you may not be able to look at it logically once again. You have lost your fundamental discretion simply because you've invested so much emotion in it. I don't think that's a way to build one's life. One must build their life consciously. But most people don't understand what is building life consciously, they only do things by chance. This is why those who are successful are stressed, those who have failed are frustrated, both are suffering. What else should happen in their life? That's what they need to look at. What needs to happen in their life is, they must learn to conduct their physical body, their psychological process, their emotional process and the fundamental energy process in the body consciously. If this happens consciously, this will happen the way you want. If this happens the way you want, you living joyfully or blissfully is a natural thing. In the world, what you do is not according to your passion. In the world, what you do is what is most needed today. That's what you must do. This is my passion. The world doesn't need it, but you keep on doing it. What is the point?